Yes.
This is where Moses
Lakad kang pa ganun.
This is Meribah. Massa.
Is that the one he do the
Red, that one. The Green Valley. Wherein the water gushed out.
What did you do?
But look at the surrounding. It's an arid land. How come there is water around the island? Praise the Lord.
Come over. May tutukan doon, diba?
Yes.
ganda, no? Ganda-ganda.
Ganda. Hindi mabibili yan.
Yes.
Walang bayad yan.
One is
Ikaw naman,
enough.
Libby.
Two is
Series ended a beautiful place. Yeah. Dito yung yung pumunta si Moses, 'di ba? Na hindi na siya pinapasok sa Jerusalem. Yes.
Ganda naman. Ng bata kanina dun, no?